I ordered a new blade from bandsawbladesdirect.com, right up here, and it's a Lenox blades, and I guess that's just their website. This guy is this one is 149 inches long, 12 feet 5 inches. It's 1 inch width, and this is a carbide tooth, 1.3 tooth per inch blade. So, gonna put this on and do some resawing with it. I haven't never used a carbide blade on a bandsaw before, and I've got some very special work that needs to be done for somebody tonight, and this is the one I'm gonna try. Stick around. Alright, I've put the 1 inch carbide blade on the saw. It is a Woodmaster CT from Lenox. 1 inch carbide tooth. I have the guides all set up, the roller guides right behind the gullets, and what I'm going to cut tonight is this material. A knife maker in the area gave me this and asked me to slice it up for him. So I'm going to give that a shot. I don't know what this actually is. I don't know how hard it is. It doesn't seem to really take a fingernail impression very well, so I imagine it's going to be pretty hard. And it looks like it's got some kind of a honeycomb in it. Not sure what that's actually made out of. That might be brass. A brass honeycomb with some kind of a resin impregnated in it. The other two, I don't know what these are made out of. They're the same material, but I don't think they have that brass matrix in it. This one, it kind of tapers, but he asked me to cut it in half as best as I could. I've measured the fat end and the thin end. On the thin end, it measured to about 15-30 seconds, so I set the fence at about 7 to 7.5, 30 seconds, and I'm going to try and cut this one first. And again, it looks like it's got some kind of a metal, brass, maybe a brass matrix in it. The carbide blade should have no problems with this. Got it hooked up to my dust collector down here. I'm going to put these two out of the way and give it a try cutting this stuff. That is a very expensive mistake right there. That is a bandsaw tire. I just put these tires on. This is their first time in use. It cost me $85 for this pair of tires. And that is his material. Man, am I upset about that. And you know what? That was the bottom tire. Top one's still on the saw. Yep, that was the bottom tire. hope it didn't damage the blade. That was the bottom tire. Unbelievable. Alright. Back to the drawing board.